Presenting the 2007 Holden Commodore.
Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, stability control.
You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features. Contact us to get behind the wheel today.